we'll be asking, what does it mean to be human? And thinking about those small moments in our day and in our lives and how we can make them have more meaning. What's real and the surreal of the world that we're living in, because we'll be transforming the ordinary and we'll be curating our lives in a way that's much more thoughtful. We'll be trying to combat that culture of seclusion where people will want to come together. It will be about sharing. It will be about the meaning we find with being with others. And we'll be looking to nature for sanctuary and healing, because we'll want restorative experiences which are going to soothe. And the products that we do buy will be from waste materials. We'll be having food made from food waste, and most of our objects and our clothes also either made from food waste or industrial waste.